Has already started falling across the tri-state. This is a live look from Howard Beach in Queens, and we could see substantial snow totals across the tri-state area before the storm wraps up later this afternoon.
Blizzard warning is in effect right now for Suffolk County on Long Island and Ocean and Monmouth counties in New Jersey. New York City public schools, they are closed, as well as many schools on Long Island and in New Jersey and across the country. Thousands of flights have already been canceled.
This is a live look at the radar right now to give you the full scope of what the storm looks like right now. We have reporters all across the tri-state area bright and early this morning, but we begin with John Elliott in the Storm Watch Center with more for us. Johnny?
Hey, good morning, everybody. So obviously the storm has escalated. It has moved a little to the west, so some of those worst-case scenario models are playing out. With that said, we are going to see conditions deteriorate over the next few hours. Right now, it is relatively quiet in through parts of northern New Jersey and into the Hudson Valley. The issue is going to be, as we work our way through the morning with its intensifying storm, you're going to see more snow spread over more of the area, and then the wind will intensify too. Wind is going to be the second chapter of this storm. That's this afternoon and tonight. I mean, hour by hour, you're just going to feel more wind. So you notice as we work our way into the afternoon hours, you go from readings in the 20s with wind chills in the teens to single-digit wind chills around the area. 25 your high today. We're going to take a very kind of, almost hour by hour look at the potential for totals based on some of those more aggressive models.